Welcome back to my channel. This is Ivy. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. It is very important. Subscribe to this channel. So today's video will be very short, very brief. It's just to show us how to sharpen our scissors. This particular scissors, I've been using it for 4 years plus now. Yes, 4 years plus now. I started using it from 2016 and it's so as sharp as anything. So I just want to show you what I've been doing to keep the scissors sharpened and prevent it from going blunt. And what is it? A sewing machine needle. Yes, that's your normal sewing machine needle. Any needle, any size, anyone, just make sure you're sewing machine needle. And what you do is you just take one of it. It can be a new one, it can be one of those spoiled one. You can just take it and run your scissors through it like this. Just do as if you are trying to cut the needle. Just run it through it for as long as you want. Run it through it. So we'll go ahead and cut now and see. You can see how sharp it is. Very sharp. You can see it's very sharp. So if you like this video, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and also subscribe to this channel. Of course, you know by now that it's very important to subscribe to this channel, and also please share our videos to your family and friends, and remember to stay safe. So until my next video, bye.